All right, hi everybody. We're working through the quadratic functions and equations review. And we're working on question 16C. We're going to come up with the equation of the quadratic based on the roots here. Now we're going to assume that there's no additional stretch here. We're just going to come up with the equation. And the equation will be 0 equals. And now what we've got to do is come up with those factors there. That's a little bit more complicated when we're staring at fractions here. So let's take a look at how to do this. The first thing we're going to do here is I'm going to notice that if these are the solutions to this equation, that at some point here x can be written as equal to 1/2. When I put this information into the equation, I do not want fractions in there. Okay, I don't want to write them with fractions. And if x is equal to 1/2, I can multiply up by the 2 to get 2x equals 1, and then bring that 1 over to get 2x minus 1 equals 0. That is a possible factor. Because remember, when I factor an equation, eventually I take the little pieces and set them equal to 0. Here, I'm just going backwards. So that's one possible factor there, 2x minus 1. Okay, the other one here, I might say x is equal to 3/5. Again, I don't want to have that fraction there, so I'm going to multiply across by the 5 to get 5x is equal to 3. And then I will bring the 3 over to get 5x minus 3 equals 0. And again, when I'm building when I'm solving a quadratic and I get the factors, I set them equal to 0. So that's got to be one of my factors. So 5x minus 3. And now what I would do is multiply this out. Okay, I'm going to get 10x squared. When I multiply the outside terms, I get negative 6. When I multiply the inside terms, I get negative 5. So together that's negative 11x. And then plus 3. So the equation we're looking for is 0 equals 10x squared minus 11x plus 3.